Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin Golden Cross, what that means for Bitcoin, and also why the price is likely to drop. Now we'll talk about that in addition to some news right after a message from our sponsor. Taking a look at the markets today, a lot of green today. Bitcoin's up 5% in a day. That's so much more than you get from your bank in a year. It's crazy. Up at 55.74 right now. Ethereum at 176, XRP at 32 cents, Bcash at 306, and EOS at 539. The total market cap 185 billion. Bitcoin dominance increasing to 53.1%. The big gainers for today: Digix, DAO, Tezos, and Icon. The big losers, other than Craig Wright, Digitex Futures, alleged losers. Don't want any lawsuits. Maximine Coin and Wax. Now, the big news for today, other than the 5% gain in Bitcoin, is the first golden cross for Bitcoin in 3 years as bulls return. Now, this is in Bloomberg, short little article. They talk about, here's another sign that crypto winter is thawing. Bitcoin, the largest digital currency, has formed a bullish cross, the first bullish cross since October of 2015. You can see there, October 2015. Here, April of 2019. The death cross was back in 2018. We all remember that. And generally saying that golden crosses can be good things. However, there is another article here. Dear Bitcoin traders, golden cross is not always a bullish signal. This article takes a look at golden crosses in gold. Not digital gold, not Bitcoin, but gold, real gold, tangible gold you can hold in your hands. And it takes a look basically saying that while sometimes golden crosses are good things, all these, well, let's zoom it in so you can see it here. Sometimes golden crosses are good things. For instance, when gold was rallying in this rally right here, the golden cross was seen 4 times, and 3 out of 4 were good buying opportunities. The golden cross happens, and then you can buy and make some money. Whereas when it wasn't rallying, when the price was dropping, the golden crosses happened, but most of those golden crosses happened at peaks. So with gold, golden crosses may not always be a good thing, but historically with Bitcoin, seems to be a pretty decent thing. Now, I saw this article shortly after. Analyst predicts Ethereum to hit $2,000 after imminent golden cross. So this guy, Science Guy 9489, talks about Ethereum should be breaking out by April 24th. He says, with the analysis, Science Guy suggested that the 24th of April will be the liftoff date for Ethereum based on the potential of the 50-day exponential moving average crossing above the 200-day EMA, setting an enormous price target of $2,090. Now it goes on to change that from April 24th to sometime between April 30th and May 5th. But still bullish about $2,000. Now, how soon? I'm sure Ethereum will get back to $2,000, but how soon is the question? That's what we all want, and it's probably going to be a couple years. Now, from the title of the video, the clickbaity title, hopefully that got some of you to watch it, I think the price may drop. Now, I didn't think of this on my own. I kind of read this article by Magic Poop Cannon, and aside from having one of the coolest names out there, the article makes a bit of sense. Now, Magic Poop Cannon is comparing what's going on with Bitcoin right now with what happened with Bitcoin in 2015. We're at a very, very similar spot to 2015 when the market shifted from a bear market to a bull market. I've talked about this in numerous videos where there are a lot of parallels. Now, obviously, history doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes, you know? It just like beatboxes and rhymes and does all types of stuff. It's a beatboxer. That's what history is. So, anyways, if we take a look back in 2015, what happened here was the beginning of a rally, breaks through the 50-day EMA, the 200-day EMA, or no, the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, and then finds resistance at the weekly 50 EMA, or the 350 daily EMA, whatever you want to call it. But that happened in 2015, and the golden cross happened at exactly the peak when we found resistance on the 50 weekly EMA. Now, fast forward to today, come back to present reality, and we see the same thing happening. Okay, breaking through the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, finding resistance at the weekly 50 EMA. Now, as of right now, we've broken through the 50 EMA today because the price jumped up 5%. We've broken through it, but will we hold above it? That's my question to you, and you can let me know what you think down in the comments because I actually started reading them again and responding to them. Also, the golden cross is happening right there. So Magic Poop Cannon thinks that the price will kind of shoot back down. We have a little bit of a channel that we're going in here, and he predicts what happened here. The price went between the 61.8 and the 78.6 Fibonacci levels. Okay, it kind of settled in there. So based on that, price will be looking somewhere between $3,600 and $4,000. Now, I made some little graphs and stuff like that because I had to do it for the thumbnail. And I think this little bullseye right there, that target, I think that's a good spot where we'll find it because, you know, we were in this channel, broke outside of it, finding support on the top level of it. But if price turns back around, because we have that golden cross, boo, drops right back down, and where it'll find support right there. That's what I think, which is right around 37.87. That's what I think. That's what I think. However, I will say that the MACD, while it has not crossed yet, as you can see, there's still a little bit of room there. It does look like it may cross over again, saying to go back into Bitcoin. So, you know, I follow the MACD. That's what I do. You can 69x your money in 2 years just trading using the MACD. It's pretty crazy, but you got to do it consistently. Got to do it. Got to check it every day. Now, on to the news. You can now shop with Bitcoin on Amazon using Lightning. Oh my goodness, so many words. Bitcoin, Amazon, Lightning. It is pretty cool though. Using this plugin called Moon, you can actually, for any Lightning-equipped wallet, you can make purchases on Amazon. It's pretty crazy. Basically, the extension will pop up a QR code and it'll have the Lightning invoice, which you could also copy and paste if you can't use a QR code. And you'll be able to pay using your favorite wallet. Now, to be clear, just because there are some of you who are asking this question, Amazon never actually touches Bitcoin. Kruger, who's the guy behind Moon, declined to specify what traditional financial institutions are helping convert the Bitcoin to fiat on the back end so that the Amazon merchants actually receive fiat currency to their wares. However, Kruger added that by 2020, the Lightning-enabled feature should work on almost any e-commerce sites, regardless of whether that platform accepts Bitcoin directly. That means by 2020, you can spend Bitcoin anywhere. And that's cool because that's when Bitcoin's going to start popping by 2020, 2021. Also in the news today, Vechain THOR just onboarded Deloitte. Now with PricewaterhouseCoopers, that's half of the big four on Vechain blockchain. I guess no longer VScam, huh? Or maybe? I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, big news for Vechain. They have half of the big four things. Now the other two are Ernst & Young and KPMG. Okay, they're not there. They're the big four professional services firms. That's what I was looking for. Okay, the other two, Ernst & Young and KPMG, they're not on Vechain yet, but they're currently looking for blockchain solutions. Yeah, big news for Vechain. They got some big names on there because they want to develop blockchain solutions on Vechain using Vechain THOR, because apparently with Vechain THOR, it allows businesses to launch solutions in under 30 minutes. So I would guess they already have their solutions done. That's all the news for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to nuke the shit out of the like button. Just like that. Also subscribe if you haven't. I haven't said that stuff in a long, long time. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to. Also, guys, if you want to start trading, making decent returns like 18% in a couple days, or 16% in 14 hours, or 13% in 5 hours, you could check out Signal Profits. I use it. It's pretty badass. There's a link down in the description. And lastly, check out the Monarch wallet. Hold all your cryptos, earn interest on your cryptos, and an ERC20 exchange all on the wallet. Check it out. You can download it wherever you download stuff. All right, thanks for watching. Love you all. Peace.